Open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing. Make sure the tabs are secure in their catch. Reinstall the screws. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.